A good number of House Solons is convinced that presidential intervention ought to look into growing complaints of poor water services from a utility company owned by the family of the country's richest man. And the president's latest order to probe the mess is being spun as political fodder by no less than a sour-graping vice president who's grasping on straws to discredit the government she's supposed to serve. Armela Las Moras has the full report. Leo's family has started getting sick due to their water supply problems. He said they always experience water interruption and at times supply contamination. They live in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, and Prime Water is their service provider.
Magbubukas lang siya 5 o'clock, 5 to 6.
5 p.m.?
5 a.m. to 6. Tapos uulit siya 9 to 10. Wala na. Yun lang ang yun na lang yung oras niya. Araw-araw, Monday to Sunday.
Because of the hardship Leo and his family are experiencing, and as a representative of the Alliance for Consumer Protection, he joined the Makabayan Bloc in filing a resolution in the House of Representatives today regarding the issue. Under House Resolution number 2279, Gabriela Party List Representative Arlene Brosas, Kabataan Party List Representative Raul Manuel, and ACT Teachers Party List Representative Franz Castro are calling for an investigation into the alleged poor service of Prime Water and its impact on affected communities.
Kung wala silang tubig, minsan madaling araw dumarating. Minsan sobrang dumi ng tubig, hindi naman nila magamit. So marami pong mga ganong reklamo. So ngayon, dapat maging accountable ang Prime Water dito sa usapin na ito.
According to the lawmakers, people deserve proper access to clean and reliable water, as it is a fundamental right of every individual. They are calling for urgent action to resolve the issue as soon as possible.
Basic necessity ng tao, yung tubig. No, isang araw ka lang na mawalan ng tubig, talagang kakainis na.
Hindi tama yun, hindi yun makatao. Sobrang perwisyo sa buhay ng mga estudyante, mga kabataan, at lahat ng mga kababayan natin.
In an interview, Vice President Sara Duterte dismissed the issue as mere politicking. This comes amid scrutiny of the company owned by the family of House Deputy Speaker Camille Villar, who the Vice President recently endorsed and is apparently trying to have it both ways. However, House Assistant Majority Leader Zia Alonto Adjong strongly rejected this claim.
It's worth to look into. Tingnan natin. Kasi seryosong seryosong bagay. Dapat nga, ako sa akin palagay, dapat nga natin i-comment that when it comes to public service, partisan affiliation does not matter. Pagdating sa pagbibigay serbisyo sa publiko, secondary na lang yung concern natin doon sa political alliances. Kasi what's important really is the services to the people.
Prime Water, for its part, previously maintained it continues to take steps to improve its services. Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.